Hi everybody out there. I just wanted to make this video right here, and this video for anyone who's searching and they wonder about the website called Swagbucks. If you didn't know, Swagbucks is basically a website where you can, like earn rewards and stuff like that. But I was using Swagbucks, but I left them alone, and I found something that actually pays me money and gives me better rewards. It's a link in the description of my video. Click that link under the video and go to the website. This website's way better. I'm actually making more money, and it's just way better than Swagbucks. So if you were thinking about, joining Swagbucks or signing up, I recommend you don't do it, because there is something that's a lot better. And if you want to make money like me, click the link under my video and go to the website, check it out, and sign up. It's 100% free. It doesn't cost no money or nothing like that. And based on my experience, it's way better than Swagbucks. So if you want to make money and you want to get something, opportunity where you can get more rewards and more money, click the link under the video, go to the website, check it out, sign up. It's 100% free. And please subscribe to my channel and also like this video.